Okay, so I'm gonna record this just because I've got other people that wanna see this. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna use this door. I like this door because it's nice and smooth. And we're just gonna use a pillowcase, and this one has a ball in it.
Okay.
So first thing I'm gonna ask you to do, and you're gonna try to lift the arm just on its own, right? No help, no assistance. You're gonna get stuck and you're just not gonna be able to do it. That's fine. Then we're gonna put the ball against the wall. You're gonna push into the wall and see if I can get the leverage using the wall. The wall's not helping me go up, but it's gonna give me some resistance. I wanna see if you can do it like that.
Okay.
So first just come in there, don't touch the wall. Try to lift the left shoulder as high as you can. Okay, now we're gonna put the ball in your hand.
Okay.
Go up, press into the wall. As you're pressing,
Go up.
slide it up. So does this make sense to you?
Yep.
Like the wall is not helping you lift at all.
Right.
If anything, it's resisting because of the friction. Just keep going up and down. But what's happening is that little bit of stability pushing against something is stabilizing the shoulder and allowing you to get that flexion. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go up. There's a little sticky spot.
Oh.
And then I want you to try and come off the wall and bring it down.
Like.
Yep, and then bring it down. Perfect. Go to the wall. Slide it up. Come off the wall. Bring it back down. There you go. And you can twist it. So sometimes twisting like that is going to help. Let's do 3 more. That was 2 already. Okay, now just put the pillowcase in the other hand and let me see you try and just lift the hand without touching the door. Okay, so you just, I mean, that is a great example of a little bit of stability will get that shoulder functioning. So at home, whenever you can, you put something that'll slide up against the door, a wall, a frame, anything, and you will get that motion. The motion is there. We just need to get the muscles working in the right sequence. Come on over here. Let's take a seat, and you're going to actually face the wall. So you're going to straddle. Go ahead. Come on, right over here.